before I ask you to do the next part, or before we proceed to the next part of the program, Anthony and Mean, right after our talk right now, we will be proceeding to the traditions. Just like a church rite, we had the ring, the veil, the cord, the array, so on and so forth. There are more of those traditions during the reception. But of course, during the reception, it is totally different from the church rite, because all of this tradition should be sealed with a kiss. So let's practice. Is that going to be okay with you guys? We're going to practice, okay? Alright, is that going to be okay with everyone, seeing how much in love Anthony and Mean would be with each other forever? Okay lang po ba yun? Konti na lang sila. Alright. Well, okay. Anthony, I'm not going to ask you to do an ordinary kiss. I would like to request you to kiss the lovely bride for 10 seconds. Is that going to be okay with everyone? Yeah. Alright. So at the count of 3, Anthony, you may kiss the lovely bride. 1, 2, and 3. That is a 10, 9, everyone count down with me. Kasal. So, narinig ko si Ninong hanggang 6 lang. 6. Okay lang po. Okay, Anthony and Mean, can please proceed by our cake table for the first tradition. Well, just to give everyone a trivia, did you know that the cake cutting ceremony actually has been part of wedding tradition since the Roman time? It actually symbolizes the couple's willingness to fulfill each other's needs, creating a bond so simple and yet so strong. But then that was the same way back during the Roman time. Anthony and Mein, there is actually a new saying to this tradition. I hope you guys are listening to me. Anthony, Mein, hi! We're listening to the photographer. Anthony and Mein, the new or the more modern saying about the cake cutting tradition is this: whoever gives the bigger slice or a bigger bite of the cake to his partner is more in love. So let's see who is more in love with who. Is it going to be Anthony more in love with Mein or Mein